Reacting to the gang rape of a 16-year-old girl in East Delhi's Madhu Vihar area yesterday as shocking, National Commission for Women member Shamina Shafiq today said that NCW will intervene in the matter. Speaking exclusively to NNIS, she lamented over the situation of women in the nation.
Well, one thing is for sure that even after the huge outrage after the unfortunate Nirbhaya case, I mean, there doesn't seem to be any fear of law or policing, especially in the minds of criminals. Because again, in broad daylight, we see that girl has been brutally gang raped by a group of men, out of which unfortunately two are juveniles. And I mean, it's high time now we should retrospect as to why there is no fear amongst the criminals about the law, the justice system, as well as the policing, and why at the same time there is a sense of fear in the common man's mind as far as policing is concerned. So that means a complete overhauling of the entire mechanism has to be done. Unless we do this, no matter how many laws we have, no matter how many sensitization programs we do, I don't think so we'll be able to achieve what we should achieve in the coming months. I think, you know what, instead of now talking about having more stringent laws, how many more laws do you want in this country? As it is, as many laws you have, you can't even count them on your fingers. But the unfortunate part is that we seem to shrug our shoulders and thinking that it's not we who are going to be at the receiving end. Only when one unfortunate day, either of us have to actually go through this. So that means instead of now, saying that the onus lies on the politicians or on the diplomats or on the policing or on the bureaucrats, I think now we should say that the onus lies on us also, individuals, as to how we are ensuring that our society is a better society.
On the other hand, Congress Mahila Morcha Chief Shobha Oza urged the centre to take immediate actions to make women safer. She added the BJP-led government has failed to curb atrocities on women.
In fact, whenever a gang rape or rape happens in UP, it is the very same government and the party BJP which demands the downstepping of the government. But when it happens in Delhi, which is right under their nose, it happens, and the Home Ministry sees Delhi directly, their mum on such issues. Really unfortunate, shameful.
Powered by NNIS.